I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light.
I don't know why I can't get my spray skirt to nicely fit behind me. It's just, it's like, I don't know. There's two, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit this cockpit. I would have to lean way back. Whatever. C'est la vie. Out here on the lake. It's so pretty today. Even though it's not sunny, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have a snack. In front of Snickers. Oh. But like, look at the island. The trees are turning colors, so it's definitely fall soon. Or technically is, I guess. All the trees are turning. So it's pretty darn gorgeous out here. So it's raining, but I want to go see the beaver. So we're gonna go see the beaver. Lots of people out.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
I feel like after having a paddle, I might go for a nap in the hammock. Somebody's dog has been barking at the beach for the last hour. I was just down there. It's still barking. Still relaxing though. Not too bad at all. It's kind of relaxing. I might fall asleep. Not gonna lie. I don't really have anything planned. I thought maybe I'd go for a hike, but I changed my mind and went for a paddle. I might go for a hike tomorrow, but my girls have pictures with their horses tomorrow, so I'm gonna run by the barn and check up on that. So yeah, I might get out of here relatively early in the morning and then go meet them at the barn for their pictures. So it's nice though because it's cool out and the leaves are all changing, so it's really pretty. But I'm hoping to get back out hiking again for another, maybe not overnighter, but another couple hikes in the day and then just hang out in the bus at night. I have another trip in Jasper, but I just am putting it kind of on hold. I'm not sure if it's going to happen because there's a lot of snow that's starting there and it's planned for the end of October. So I think I said before in some of my videos that I might have to change that, not be a kayak trip, but maybe just a trip to Jasper and some hiking. So we'll just play by ear. Anyway, I'll check in with you in a little while.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend, what's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe a bitch, universe a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe a bitch, universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time, oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between, I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that you know.
It's a little chilly and I'm a little hungry. So I have some warm coffee and a little snack. And it's warm inside the bus, so I'm super happy. Snack time. Cozy under my blankets. This will be delicious.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has as clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today.
Well, I think it's time for me to go to bed. I'm all in my pajamas. Got all my blankets on. Fire's out. Thinking about going for a hike in the morning, so we'll see. So good night, everybody. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Making the usual breakfast of eggs, garlic, and onions. Got my coffee. And it's definitely fall outside. Holy, a bunch of people were here last night and I left. I've been really lazy hanging out in bed, not getting up. So I finally got out of bed. So I'm gonna cook this up, get ready for the day, and I'll check in with you later.
Time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks so much for joining me this time. It was just a one night, short little camping trip. But you can't go wrong with this beautiful background. I also wanted to thank you all for 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And I look forward to more adventures coming up. So take care, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend.